Hi, friends, students, and educated people in the world. Very important thing I am speaking to you now. See, in the world, the skills are divided into two kinds, two parts: hard skills and soft skills. Okay, hard skills are academic degrees, textbooks, academic syllabus. These are known as hard skills or soft skills. There are many soft skills. On soft skills, I have given near about 150 lectures in YouTube. 150 lectures on soft skills. What are the soft skills? See, the academic skills called hard skills can take you to the interview level. For passing the interview and coming out of interview successfully and doing the job for next 30 years, soft skills are required. Soft skills are behavioral skills. Soft skills are very important in human life. That's why to the world student community, to the world educated community, what I say, soft skills are very important in life. That is why soft skills one has to learn. I have given 150 soft skills lectures in YouTube. They're all there. So these soft skills lectures were delivered 3 years back, but no viewers. I don't know why. See, that is why I am giving this intro today. Please watch all my soft skills lectures. They are available in YouTube. Thank you. Have a nice day. Friends, Hariprasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. Today's topic is negotiation skills. One of the soft skills is negotiation skills. One of the soft skills is negotiation skills. Negotiation is used to solve business disputes, industrial mergers, and international settlements, and ease political tensions. Man has moved from animal instincts towards refined psychology. He has left behind his aggressive attitudes. Man has mastered the art of skillful negotiations to solve most of his problems, be it a problem in office or elsewhere. Negotiation skills are acquired through experience and age, time to time guidance from the experts, and your own intuitive system. Some people are born with art of negotiation skills. Even though India had great leaders, it fell on the shoulders of Mahatma Gandhi to clinch a deal with the British for independence. All wars begin in the human mind. Job seekers need to possess soft skills so as to work smoothly at their workplace. Interviewer lays stress on negotiation skills as the interviewee has this trait or not. Negotiation is involving different groups across the negotiating table through dialogue and discussion in order to resolve amicably. Negotiation process takes place in the families, at workplaces, at all places, either consciously or unconsciously. A smooth sea never made a skillful mariner. You know that. Message. I have a special lunch for you. A glass of care, a plate of joy, a spoon of peace, a fork of trust, a bowl of happiness. Have a good day. After the message, coming to the topic, a skilled negotiator applies tact and diplomacy so as to make negotiation process a successful one. In negotiation process, never be nervous. Have enthusiasm. Get updated about the other party. Be optimistic. Test and try. Don't give up. Have independence. Don't succumb to the other's wish. Be assertive to the point. Be truthful as far as possible. Be innovative. Come out with new solutions. Have openness. Never say no. Negotiation stages. 1. Other parties' objectives. 2. Information gathering. 3. Action plan. 4. The final act. Message. Don't be a burden to others. You have to work till the last day of your existence. Coming to the topic, types of negotiation. 1. Integrative process. Both parties sit together and negotiate amicably by finding out new solutions to a particular problem and agreeing to it. It is also called win-win situation because both parties getting benefit. Lakshmi Nivas Mittal, world's 5th largest man, is a great negotiator. Number 2, distribution process. It is a win-lose situation. One party wants to win at the cost of the other party by inflicting maximum losses. It is like one man's food is another man's poison. 3. Lose-win. Here one party loses, the other party wins. Successful negotiation is an art. Characteristics of successful negotiator. 1. He should be a patient listener and observer. 2. He should know the body language of the people at the negotiation process. 3. He should exercise great patience, coolness and enthusiasm. 4. He should possess leadership qualities. 5. He must be in a position to empathize with his opponents. 6. He should build trust and confidence. 7. He should know human psychology and face reading. One message. I wish you to have a marvelous Monday, tasty Tuesday, wonderful Wednesday, thankful Thursday, famous Friday, something Saturday, surprise Sunday. After the message, coming to the topic, the art of negotiation has moved from the political arena to big industrial ventures and corporate desks. Negotiation is an art. Industrial and business leaders who have cultivated good negotiating skills reap success to a greater extent. Before closing this lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. Number 1, trust your brain. Number 2, trust yourself. Number 3, trust Hariprasad. You can become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.